So yesterday's inspection gave us the okay to put all the cladding on here and around the back here as well. All of that is good to go. We just need the weatherboards. We may have delays because the supplier doesn't have the weatherboards we need at the moment. So I'm waiting to hear from them, but in the meantime, I bought some stuff from a boat company called Burnsco because I'm going to copy what that truss guy did and make a little handle for my drawers. As I said in that other video, right now I have to lift these levers up to disengage the lock. That's why they got like a blue rubber sleeve on it, but that's a bit of a struggle. You need two hands to do it, and when you're on a hill going that way, it's very hard to pull a heavy drawer. So what I'm going to do is put this cable on a keyring here, screw through there, and then when it's hooked on, so the next thing is to screw these suckers on. They're just little plastic rings. Put two screws through there. This is what the cable is going to run through in order to create a loop underneath. Sort of like a easy way to splice a rope. I was going to explain what splicing a rope is, but I don't know what it is. Right, now I can put this loop through there and so there you have it, both the drawers done. One hand, boom. Anyway, the delay continues. We don't know what's happening with the cladding yet. So, yeah. Pato Bella's here.
Hey guys, what's going on? Oh bro, that's mint. That's so much better.
That works out.
And you got these too, which is kind of...
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look the best, you know, it's a little bit Mickey Mouse, but functionality, bro.
Bro, it's where the party's at, bro.
So Pato and I are trying to sort out materials for this cladding. What I've said, hi Nick, not sure how much luck you're having, but I managed to source some Hardy's linear. If I order it, I can have it here tomorrow. Can you know?
Yeah.
Should I go ahead with that?
Yeah.
So we have two types of cladding that we have to get. The cedar that has like an overlap, locks in like that, and the same at the top. That's for the sides to match with the house, but the back wall, the firewall, has to be concrete. Got to text back fairly quickly. Best to get yourself then, mate. We've still got no stock. The cedar is in though. Great, we got the cedar.
It'll get here tomorrow morning, or tomorrow sometime, and then we'll deliver it when that's as well.
And they can't do direct to us, like...
No, they won't do that.
Alright, so I can't put the order in now?
Well, you can. I'm going to Smoko. I'll ring you back.
Oh, no, I can check those details. Okay.
I'm halfway out the door with my woolly hat.
Alright, stay warm.
Bro, that was hilarious.
Come on. I'm going to Smoko. That's building in New Zealand, ladies and gentlemen.
That was hilarious.
Okay, home sweet home. Well, we got a lot of lemons. Anyway, home sweet home. Haven't got the cladding yet, obviously, but it looks like it's going to be there tomorrow. I've been waiting for this box for quite a few weeks now. Let's open it. Oh yeah. This is how I hold my camera. Oh yeah. Oh, that is heavy duty. That is great. Oh my god. I chucked this camera here onto there. Now I had a 3 kilo version of this 4 weeks ago. This is a 5 kilo. And I was holding the camera by the pod like this, just, you know, waiting for a delivery, and then whoosh, the camera hit the concrete. And then I looked at it and it had all just come apart. The whole head unit thing was in like 4 pieces. And my camera hit the concrete. I was like panicking. Checked my camera and it was just a little scuff on the corner here. And that's it. No damage, the battery's sweet, but I needed to get a replacement for this, so I decided to go up to the 5 kilo version, which for this Canon 80D camera is very overkill. But yeah, there you go, there's a little insight into how I do my videos. Whew, there we go, now I can walk around like this. Scott Brown here, welcome to another exciting... Oh, it's so much better. I hold the pod like that, and then I can unfold it and set it on things at a moment's notice. So versatile. It's the JOBY Gorillapod, in case you care about this stuff. The cladding will be there tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I'm going to hire the concrete cutter, the wet saw, and we're going to start cladding this extension. Pod is not only your regular chef, he also can give you tips that you can use in your kitchen, like how to squeeze an orange.
Let's see what happens, eh? That's good. Look at it, bro. Holy shit.
How to squeeze an orange. Fuck's sake.
Building better futures.
Building better futures, everybody.
Better go wash that off.